Come on, you weeny little wannabes, work it out. More reps.
Everything hurts. This guy is so mean. Yeah, Shoebill Stork really is dangerously motivating me.
Come on, feel the burn. Swan, drop and give me 27 push-ups.
Ah, yes, sir. Feel the burn. 1 to 3 for 5. You're doing great, Swan. Hey, we yelling over here. I bet I can yell louder.
Ow! Hey, Blue Dodo got Commandant at lifting.
Number thanks you, me and working out had never been worked out.
I wasn't asking. Grab a barbell and feel the fucking burn.
Barbell. I see our dumbbell.
You sick son of an ostrich.
Did someone just put a white bellbird in a dot blender?
Keep pushing, not keep pushing.
This so painful. Dot everything hurts. I feel like I'm in a fight or flight response. I'm in an adrenaline rush. Ah ha ha ha. Dot Goose is so emo.
Dodo, are you Goose's friend or some dipshit?
Yes, me and Goose are friends. Dodo, for the last time, comma, Dot, we are not best friends. Whoa, oh thank God I finally arrived.
Oh, hey, Crow, nice to meet you, bud. I'm just telling and ripping these guys.
Nah, is Goralama before I met you, buddy?
Oh, my God, Erg, I don't know what to do with you. Dodo guy is like he is not even aware that I'm the best prehistoric stork in the whole entire world.
One more. Don't even get close to him, pal. I have been hitting the gym pretty hard lately. Better watch out.
Oh, yeah, you are telling me that? Do you have a six-pack yet?
Nope, just a 5-pack. But I expect my 6 again day now.
Nice work, but me, I'm up to 27.
Holy shish kebab. That should be dot illegal.
You should say that it is. Now it's HHHH. If you can excuse me, it's time for a little motivational speaking. Dodo, did you not hear what I said?
How could I? I was being louder than you.
Yeah, that's the problem.
That I can yell louder than you?
That's not a competition.
Still winning.
You are so annoying. Wait, I think I'm getting that KEPED company. Well, hello there, parrot. Have you ever seen a 0.7 pack before?
Wooey nice move at plastic, bruh.
Yeah, I bet you like that.
Hey, Shoebill Stork, your sister Flamingo is joining us.